Welcome to another video, guys, and today we're looking at the Fanttik D2 Laser Level. So this is a versatile tool designed for precision and ease of use when it comes to your DIY projects or home improvement projects. So let's explore the features of this D2 Laser Level, and I do want to thank Fanttik for gifting this to me. As far as what this is good for, I recently just used it to hang a quick picture frame. In addition, it's great for shelf installation, frame installation, outdoor projects. A lot of DIY projects is what this can be used for. But as far as the main features go, first off, you have the rechargeable battery here, which includes the USB-C port. And so instead of just using regular batteries, which are disposable, you do have it rechargeable, and it's got a 10-hour runtime. So with that 10-hour continuous runtime, it's able to maintain that on a single charge. You've got the accurate precision and high brightness. So in order to turn this laser leveler on, you press this button here. And then right now I have it set to manual mode, and the modes are dependent on whether you have it locked or unlocked. So I have it locked right now, so this is where the manual mode is, and as you can see, it's just a basic vertical line and horizontal line being shown. But if I want to have a self-level, I could actually do the self-leveling mode and it'll level itself. If you look up here, as you can see, it's a green laser. This is the self-leveling mode within a +4 - degree increment. But if I do the lock mode and then turn it back on, now it's on a manual mode as well, so it's not really self-leveling. But even so, the laser's high brightness makes it quite easy to actually recognize, and this is so much better than a red beam as well, just because the green laser is brighter when compared to red lasers. This laser level is portable, it's durable as well, it's got soft rubber pads, it weighs in less than half a pound, and it also includes this stand here, this magnetic stand, which you can attach this to. And as you can see, this is the magnet, and this is the thread screw that falls underneath this laser here. This laser has an extended working range of up to 164 feet when used with a receiver, but the receiver is not included. Sometimes you'll see this laser flash like every 4 seconds, and that's used for precise alignment at different angles. And lastly, the laser overall is pretty simple to use. I wish I had this when I was first moving into my home, just because it would have made things a lot easier rather than just using like a mechanical leveler. But the laser itself, like I said, it's portable, it's durable, it's versatile, it's very easy to use. I'd say this is great for any DIY enthusiast or professional who's looking to add a versatile tool to their toolkit. So if you found this review helpful, let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.